The Auspice TV.
Hi friends, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can use SamaraBot to create a VTU website and VTU app. Here we go. If you don't have SamaraBot before, you can quickly go to Play Store and install it. I've installed it before, so let me just click on open. Now this is SamaraBot. If you open it, like it will show like this. Now we have website builder and we have Android app builder, so anyone you want to go to. Now I will go for website builder, and the method I will use here, you can apply it here, the same procedure. So let me click on website builder. Now as you can see, welcome to Samara website builder. So to create a website, you type 1. Or to log into your website manager, you type 2. So I want to create a website now, you type 1. Now what will be your website name? Let me just put my VTU website 1. Now your email address, the address, you already know this one. Now let me just my vtu@gmail.com, your email address, and this email address must be valid. Now our password, I'm just using a password. Let's use this and wait a minute. Good, my website is created successfully, which you can see. Now I can click here to check my website, and I can click on the second link to check my website builder, my website manager. So now the procedure I applied here, the same procedure you apply if you are going for app builder, and you see your app immediately. You can download the APK as well, but I'm going to use website this time for this tutorial. Okay, now you click on website to view your website, and you click on this to enter your website manager. Let me click on this place first. Now being the first time, my website shows like this, so that means I need to configure it. Now your website type should be VTU website, this one. Now your phone number should be here, button and automated button. Leave everything like this, but change your phone number. Then click on update. Good, you can see my website. My website is live now. So if you want to edit or you want to change many things on your website, all you need to do is to come to this place and click on website builder and website manager. I'm going to show you that. But on your website, I want to register as a customer. So let me just register there. There's and I've logged. So let me click on dashboard, or you click on login, log out. You can see, because if I go back, let me go back to the website, because I've logged in one website before. Then click on this place again, you can see login or register. So I'm going to register, so click on to register. Okay, I want to test run everything, that's why I want to create an account now. Let me just put an email address, let me just use, and then phone number should be here, 1+1, that's 2. Password, anything you like, and put for password. Okay, now you can see registration is successful. So the password I use and everything. Now let me go back. I've already created an account. We are going to use that later. Now to enter your website manager, you click on this place. So let me click here. Now being the first time, they just, where did you hear about Samara? Anywhere, you can just click on open manager. Good. Now in case you don't know your website link, you can just get it here. You can see your website link there, copy. Now if you check your website link here, you will notice that it has service.com/your website name. Now this is because it is free. So this is free domain. In case you want to use normal domain like .com or .com.ng normal domain, click on this place. You can see remove that service.com from your website link. That's easy. Okay, now after that, you go straight to all this. You can see they are all tasks you need to perform. You need to the setup if you want to set up your website completely. And all this you already understand them. You just be clicking them one after the other to set up your website. But that doesn't mean your website will not be live. Your website is already live here. So now you go to your VTU portal. Now click on portal here. Now this is your VTU portal. You remember the customer I registered that time is already here. So let me click on the customer. Now this is the customer, and this is the email address used. Okay, now is the reason why it has this background is because the customer has not activated his or her account. So that's why it will have this, because your customer will need to check his or her email for activation code. But you can activate the customer directly from here. And then if you want to fund the wallet and you want to fund your customer, or you want to debit your customer here to send message to your customer, this place. Okay, now let me activate this person because the email I use is not correct. Now I've activated the customer, so I want the customer to log in now. Example, then password is this. So the customer will log in. Now during the process, if you check here, let me go back to main dashboard. If you check here, you can see you don't have any amount. We don't need API. You don't need API. So automatically, Samara API is integrated into your website. So all you need to do, just click on profit table. That means if you sell airtime, you are getting 3%. If you sell recharge card pen, getting this. Your data bundle, getting this. Now, what if you want to see? Because currently, Samara API for 1 gig MTN is 249 naira. So in case you want to change the price, I want to show you. Let me show you directly from here. Now I've logged in as a customer. I want to buy data. This is it. Click on this place. Now we have difference. So I want to get MTN SME. Now 1 gig is 249. 2 gig is 499. So in case you want to change this price, it's possible. You can do that. Now to do that, just go to your website. You can see this is your website manager, you as the owner of the website. Then in case you want to check your profit, so click here. So you'll be able to check your profit in this place. This is your profit 0. So you can send to your bank or you send it to your VTU wallet. Okay, now to set up your the price, this is price setup. Click here. Airtime discount. How much discount you want to give your customer? 1, 2, 3. How about this recharge card pen? So now data for MTN, Glo, and 9 Mobile. So that means data does not, if you set your price here, it should not reflect on Airtel. So it's only for MTN, Glo, and 9 Mobile. So let me, remember that normal price for 1 gig is 249. So you put 21 here. That 21 plus 249, that's how it will add to it. So that is 270. So let me click. That's how you do to others. Paystack chargeback. In case you use Paystack as your payment gateway, Paystack, you want to charge your customer, the charges Paystack will charge you. So you can just enable this so that you'll be charging your customer directly instead of Paystack removing their charges from your money. Okay, so let me update this. Now what will be your new price, profit? New profit for data will now be 3% plus 15 naira. So that means you collect 3% of that 249 plus 15 naira. So let me go back to this place. You remember that it was 249. Let me click on SME again. If you check here, you can see it has changed to 270. Why this one 520? So and then money, if your customer buys this, how much will you earn? You will earn 3% of that money plus 15 naira. That's the price you will earn. And then your customer will need to fund his or her wallet before carrying out any transaction. Likewise, you, before your customer can perform it, you need to fund your own wallet too. So let's assume your customer funds his or her wallet with 1,000 naira, and you collect the money. So that money you can use it to fund your own wallet here. Let's assume you fund your own wallet with 1,000 naira as well. You can see that you don't lose, because the money you collect from your customer, you put it on this place, so you don't lose and you don't gain. Now how you not gain? If your customer buys something of 1,000 naira and you get like 3% from it, so that money will be seen here under my profit. So the profit will be seen here, and you can send the profit into your account. You can send it to your bank account, or you send it to your VTU wallet. So that is your profit. Remember, your customer funds his wallet with 1,000, for example, and you also fund your wallet with 1,000. You don't gain and you don't lose. And if your customer purchases something, you are getting percentage from that percent or that commission from it is your gain. And the profit, you can send it to your bank account or you send it to your wallet. So that's your profit. Good. Now after this, you can fund your wallet here. All the transactions will be shown here. They can send a message to your customers. And for online payment, because I said your customer will need to fund his or her wallet. How will your customer fund wallet? Is it through online or offline? You can do the two. Click on VTU setup. Go to online payment. You can see online payment is enabled. Now go to paystart.com or flutterwave.com. Flutterwave.com is recommended. After that, go to the settings. Under either Flutterwave or Paystart, you will see your public key. Paste it here. You see your secret key. Paste it here. That's all. In case you want, maybe your customer cannot do online payments. In case you want to accept bank transfer, you can just put your bank details here. That's all. Now on your website, let me go back to your website. This is your website. If you scroll down, this is your website. All these services, this one, they are all services. All of them, you can hide them by just going to display default services. You can hide them. Just click on no. Now, do you want to enable referral system? If yes, this is enabled. Enabled. If no, just disable it. And if you want to enable it, so what will be the referral referral earning in percentage? If you enable it like this, maybe you want to be giving them 5%. That means referrals will earn this percent from first deposit of people they refer. You can see. So that means if someone refers someone, the person will earn 5% from the referrals earning and referrals first deposit. Now, in case if someone opens your website or it opens your app, which kind of pop-up message you want to send, you can just put it here. The pop-up message will show to them, and once you are done, you click on save. That is all. After you've done that, your VTU website is up. All remains is just go to website manager. All these settings you can see provide unique details about your website. Why us? Frequently asked questions. You can see all these ones, and then you just need to provide them. And if you don't want, you can just ignore. Then for more things, go to settings. Go to settings, scroll down. Now, email delivery enabled. Account activation via email. Do you want to allow your customer to activate their account before they can start using their web and their dashboard? Yes or no? So you can do that here, if enabled or disabled. So that's all. Scroll down or everything, you understand everything. And if you don't want to use Samara Bot to manage your website or your app, all you need to do, copy out this thing and go to manager.service.com, then paste this ID there. So to log into your website manager or into your app manager. So direct slider text, or this just slider, that picture on your website. The picture on your website, this is it. So the color of this text, that slider text color. Okay, so the color is already white, so you can change it. Okay, just scroll down, you will get everything. And at the bottom of your website, there is something called created with Samara. So if you want to remove it or you want to edit it, click on this place. That's all. Now your website is up and people can purchase airtime, data, electricity bill, and others, even TV subscription, all services, and it has recharge card pin. Recharge card pin on this platform, you can order them in bulk or single. You can order them one by one, or you order them in bulk. Like this recharge card printing, we have it there. Now maybe 100 credits. How many do you want? So if you want 20, click on print. Now you can see insufficient funds. Kindly fund your wallet and try again. Thank you. We know that. That's how to create websites on Samara Bot. Now how about creating Android app? It's very easy. Now the way I explained display is still the same way, but the only difference is that on this place, let me go back, you are going to click on Android app builder. So let me type 0 to log out from the one I did before. So welcome to Samurai App Builder. And when you create your app, let me create one. What will be your app name? Let me call it my VTU app 1. And what will be your email address? My VTU example at gmail.com. Your password, let's use this. You can see, so my app is created successfully. That's very easy. And the way I explained your website manager in this place, the way I explain your website manager in this place, the same way you're going to do with this app manager. You can see, open your app manager, the same thing. All the procedures I explained that time, the same way. But the only thing here I'm going to explain how you can run your app and how you can download your app. So now to do that, we're going to start with click here to download your Android app. So let me click on this place. Now if you check here, it says your app logo is required. That means you can't download your app now until you upload your app logo. So to do that, open your app manager, click here. So firstly, you need to set up your app type. Choose app type. Choose VTU/e-wallet app. After that, you click on update. You change the phone number, then click on update. Now this is your app download link. Now if you check this, everything here looks exactly like that website manager. Okay, now to go to your app manager, click on this place. Now where do you hear about it? Open it, click on anything. You can see the same way. This is your app link. Now after that, everything is the same. Okay, now click on user portal to go back to your VTU setup. You remember this, I've already explained this place. So the same thing. The only difference is that, okay, the same thing, because your website manager also has transaction statement in case you want to download your statement of account, or let me see, statement of your transactions. So you can just put the date, select date, your email address, then export it. So it will be exported into your email account, and it will be in form of PDF. That's all. Okay, let me now show you how you can download your app. All we need to do, let's firstly change our logo. And to change logo, click on this place, go to settings, upload new logo. Let me just use any logo. Let me use this thing, any image. Okay, so click on upload. Done. Now after that, let's go back to this place. Click here to download your app. Alright, my app is in, you can see it's pending. Now the reason why it shows pending is because some content in your app is or let me just say it is undergoing conversion process now, because your app will need to be converted into .apk before you can download it, and this thing may take sometimes 2 hours, or sometimes an hour, sometimes 2 hours, sometimes less than 24 hours. But if you don't want to wait, and you want to continue editing your app, all you need to do now is just click on app tester. You can see install app tester to continue your app development pending the time your real app will be ready. So click here to download app tester. That app tester will be like your app, but it's not your app. You can use it to test run your app pending the time your real app will be live or will be available. This is my app tester. I have it already. So click on this place. Now this is how app tester looks like. So you click on test now. If you click on test now, okay, before that you need app ID. To get app ID, come to this place and type app ID. This is your app ID. Copy it. You need it. Then go back to your app tester. Now click on this place. So this is app ID. Then paste your app ID that you have copied. Now after that, you click on open app tester. This is your app. This is exactly how your life will look like when your app is ready. So you can continue using your app like this. Pending the time your real app will be live. So you can continue using your app like this. This is my app. I can register. You remember the way I registered as a customer last time. So you can register, click on forgot password, login, and you'll see everything. Let me quickly register one account and login so that you can see the interface. Now, being the first time I log in, all you can see, I need to set up my PIN. So let me just set up PIN 0000. Let me use anything there. Okay. After that, choose currency. This is currency. Now 0000. Correct. Everything is okay. Now, if you see transaction, I don't have anything. Money I've sent, nothing. Our blog. You as the owner of the app, you need to upload your blog from your app manager. Okay, so all the services are here. I can purchase. If I want to fund my wallet, is there. So only online payment is available. Remember the way I explained about website manager, under website manager, the way you will provide your online payments, public key, secret key, the same way. Just go to your app manager and do that. If you do that, all these things will be available. Like for example, on your app manager, if you go to, so click on user portal, VTU setup, online payment. Now the reason why I can't find bank transfer is because I don't provide anything here. Let me just put anything there. Then come to display and save. Remember, you need to change. This is PK, public key test, is in test mode, so you need to change it to your own key by going to paste.com, flutterway.com. So click on save. So okay, referral, though is disabled, but just put anything there. Now after that, so changes have been saved successfully. Then let me go back to my app tester and refresh this place. So fund wallet, good. I can now find bank transfer. How much? 100 naira. Fund it. So pay manually into that stuff I provided, IDB. After you've sent the money, maybe your customer, after your customer sent the money to you, I sent the money to you. So I provide my sender name and the amount I sent, then send proof. So that's all. And if you have received the money, fund your customer's wallet. How will you not fund your customer's wallet? I explained that. Go to your customers, then click on fund. So if you click on fund here, you can see credit or debit. Okay, one more thing is that if transactions occur your platform and you click on transactions, you will see like 3 or 4 buttons. The first button will be reprocess, the second one will be refund, the third one may be maybe delete. So that first one, in case your customer claims that he or she has not received maybe data purchase or anything, all you need to do is just click on reprocess. And if your customer mistakenly loads airtime on wrong number, you click on refund. You click on refund button. So that's how it works. You can see all what I explained. There is no use of API. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more tutorial. And for more, you can just click on this for notifications. Click here. You can see menu. This is my wallet ID. So if I can copy it out, copy and give it to someone, and this person can send me money by clicking on send. Provide wallet ID, any amount, send. Then you provide your PIN before you can send out something. So send if solution fund, yes. Even if I have money there, it will not go because I can't send money to myself. That is the simplest way to use Samora Bot to create VTU website and VTU app. Thanks for watching.
Kindly click on subscribe button so that you will be notified anytime I release new videos. Don't forget to click on the bell button beside it so that you will always be notified.